Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this NEET SS video, we are going to discuss about the next step. Now the result is out. You will be getting your scorecard in few days after a week of time. And then the most important point right now, as people are calling us, and they are asking like what is possible in their rank, the group wise rank, okay, and how you can check and where to check the last year cutoff, fee structure, stipend, bond, and seat matrix, fee structure, college level details. Okay, how to know which college is better, how to go ahead with the counseling when it starts to get the best possible college in your rank. Okay, how to understand the process. Okay, so all these things you can get access the data on neetmentor.co.in website. Okay, when you log in there, you will have all these options: notification, closing rank, seat matrix, allotment, fee, stipend, bond, eligibility rules, the documents required, college predictor, clinical load details, IPD, OPD and all, and videos you can get access to for all different colleges, for different branches. You can get a fee structure, stipend, bond, cutoff. You have multiple filter options also. You can filter by state, by institute type. If you're looking particularly for deemed university, private, government institute or DNB institutes, you can choose the branches here, multiple select. You can put a range over the rank in case your rank is around 3000. Start with 2500. You can check like what are the possible options. Okay, so it is going to be very handy, and all the notifications you can access here whenever the counseling starts. Notification you will be accessing from here. Okay, and this video we are going to talk about few things. First the cutoff, and next medical group. For the candidates who are from medical group, what was the last year cutoff for different branches, including government, DNB, private, deemed, everything. Okay, so let's try to understand those who attended the exam, got the result but didn't qualify in the first list. Okay, for those candidates, it's important to understand that in the first list you are not qualified, but you will certainly get opportunity in the second or third round. Okay, officially when the prospectus for the counseling will be released, it will have 2 rounds. Okay, this is very important slide. Officially there will be 2 rounds, round 1 and round 2. Later, with special approval, they conduct mop-up round. So totally 3 rounds. How it happened last year, the first round got conducted, and the eligibility of the candidates who could participate in the first round was 50 percentile. They need to have 50 percentile in order to participate in round 1. Okay, and you know the eligibility right now. Okay, for the round 2, before round 2 counseling happened, the choice filling happened, they reduced the percentile to 20 percentile. Okay, and if you want to see, I can post the last year notifications in the Telegram group, WhatsApp group. It's available in the description of the video. You can join. Okay, or you can message us on this number 9319128677. So before round 2, they reduced the cutoff eligibility to 20 percentile. They didn't reduce to 0. Okay, so round 2 got conducted with all those candidates are eligible now whose percentile is 20 or more than 20 percentile. Before the third round, they reduced it to 0, means all the candidates who attended the exam now are eligible. Okay, so those candidates who are not eligible right now, okay, you need to see as per the last year or last to last year. Okay, in which college, private, deemed or DNB institutes, the candidate have got the particular branches. Okay, so that you can also hope for the same to happen in the 2024 counseling. Okay, one more question: why is 2024 counseling? Because the exam didn't happen last year. Okay, it happened in 2025, so we are continuing with 2024 only. Okay, now medical branch, those who are from medical group, okay, the cutoff according to the last year for DM nephrology, in the round 1 it was 4054, round 2 it went up to 6520, in round 3 8203, including all the colleges. In clinical hematology, in round 1 the cutoff was 3206, round 2 5833, round 3 4084. Okay, so for all the different groups I am going to post the regular videos, okay, which will have the overall cutoff. But in case you want to know what was the cutoff for government college particularly, because you don't want to go for private, in case you are not able to get government, what was the cutoff for DR, NV, okay, DNB institutes, what was the cutoff for private colleges, deemed universities, in the particular fee structure. So how you are going to access all those details, because if you need to have the complete details, then only you can access all such things. That detail is available on the NEET Mentor portal. You can access there from there. Okay, the packages are available. You can access after paying for the first package. In case you want the choice filling also, you access the second package. In case you want the call support and personalized guidance until admission, or after admission you want to upgrade the seat, go for the third package. You want us to do the counseling on your behalf, go for the fourth package. That's how it is. Neurology, the first round cutoff was 4044, second round cutoff was 6619, and third round it went up to 8193. Okay, so what does it tell? When you see the cutoff trend in the first round and second round, difference is around like 2000 for cardiology, neurology and all. So seats are still available. Okay, and after the cutoff revision happens, you get the chance to get the seat. Ultimately, through the counseling process, you need to have the seat. Whether you got qualified in the first round or not, it doesn't matter. So last year it went up to 0 percentile. Would it be continue in this 2024 counseling? Who is going to guarantee it? So there is no guarantee. But if you look at the pattern in NEET PG, okay, they also revised the cutoff. So they inherited from NEET SS only. So in the first cutoff revision, if they don't make it to 0, okay, and ultimately when they don't make it to 0, at least up to 10 percentile they should do it. Okay, so you can calculate that how much more percentile reduction you need in order to qualify, and then you are like any other candidate. Okay, so for all the guidance you need to have all these details so that you can make a decision. Okay, in case you are not able to get particular specialty, then you can go for other specialty. But the cutoff, fee structure, stipend, bond, details about the institute, these details are very much important, and it's very much handy for you to make the decision. Right decision at the right moment is very much important in the counseling process. Okay, in the smart counseling portal you can access all these things I explained you already. Okay, so that's all from my side. In the next video I'll try to cover some other groups. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.